In this video, we're going to help you escape the rat race and learn what school never told you. This is something much important and practical about how to use, save, invest, and manage that money, which ensures stability. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future video we upload. Getting back to the video, let's start first. Escaping the rat race isn't something everyone thinks about. It's like when you feel stuck in a routine that never seems to end. Sadly, only a few people manage to break free from this cycle. These lucky ones realize how valuable their time is. They understand that what we do with our time shapes who we are and how we live. Let's take a closer look at what this rat race is all about. Imagine a kid born into the world. They grow up, go to school, and do well. Their parents are proud as they excel in their studies and eventually get into college. After graduating, they might go to more schools or find a job that seems safe and secure. As they become adults, they start earning money, maybe as a doctor, professor, soldier, or government worker. With money in their pockets, they start enjoying life. They go out, meet people, and maybe even get married. Everything seems perfect because they both have good jobs and a decent income. They feel successful. They decide to buy a house, a car, and all the things that make life comfortable. They go on vacations and start a family. It feels like they've achieved everything they wanted. But here's the thing, they might not even realize it, but they've become trapped in this rat race. They found themselves stuck in the sneaky rat race, where the need for money keeps growing every month and every year. The once happy couple realizes that their careers are crucial, so they start working even harder. They aim for promotions and salary increases. As they earn more, they decide to have another child and buy a bigger house. To support their growing family and lifestyle, they put in even more effort at work. They might even go back to school to gain specialized skills for higher-paying jobs. Some might take on a second job to boost their income. With more money coming in, they hope to save for their children's college education and their own retirement. But as their incomes rise, so do their expenses. They have to pay higher taxes, especially on their larger home, and cover other costs like Social Security. Despite earning more, they start to wonder where all their money is going. Their children start school, and the pressure to save for college and retirement increases. They find themselves exhausted, waking up early, working all day, and then crashing at night, only to repeat the cycle day after day. They eagerly await the weekend, hoping for a break from the routine. This is the typical life of hardworking, educated people caught in the rat race. They spend their working lives serving their employers, paying taxes to the government, and repaying loans to banks. It's a cycle that seems never-ending, trapping them in the pursuit of financial security and a better life. It's shocking to realize that for a significant portion of the year, from January to mid-May, many families essentially work just to cover their taxes owed to the government. What's even more surprising is that often, these same families advise their children to focus solely on studying hard, getting good grades, and finding a safe job or career path. Unfortunately, this advice often lacks any substantial financial education, leaving the next generation to continue the cycle of working hard without much understanding of how to manage their finances effectively. Despite this seemingly endless cycle, is there a way out of the rat race? According to Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, the answer is yes. Kiyosaki, who has achieved financial freedom himself, believes there is hope for those who are tired of the rat race and are willing to make a change. However, there's no magical solution to escape the rat race overnight. It requires acquiring specific skills, particularly in accounting and investing, which are often considered among the most challenging subjects to master, but there is hope. By shifting your perspective and learning from those who have achieved financial success, it's possible to pave your own path towards financial freedom. In Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki discusses how the majority of people's lives are dominated by two powerful emotions, fear and greed. These emotions often drive individuals to focus solely on working to pay their bills, keeping them trapped in a never-ending cycle. Unfortunately, many people believe that this cycle is their only reality, unaware that there are other possibilities. Kiyosaki's mentor, his rich dad, imparted invaluable lessons that helped him break free from this cycle. These lessons include the importance of investing in assets, reducing liabilities, and understanding the distinction between active income, earned through work, and passive income, earned through investments. By embracing these principles, individuals can begin to see beyond the confines of the rat race and realize their full potential in life. Kiyosaki encourages readers to ask themselves how long they're willing to remain trapped in this cycle and urges them to break free now. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Take care.